Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can customize or change the video playback settings and quality in your videos you create and edit on Canva. So let us get started. So in 2026 it works the following way. There are actually two different ways how you can customize these playback settings. Option number one would be to, here in the video editor on Canva, to click into that share button in the top right. And now guys, if you'd like to download it or export it or save it in, let's say, MP4 format, click into download here, and then you will see this quality slider here. You may use it if you have access to it with your account status here on Canva. So not all Canva accounts have access to that feature. I can customize it, as you can see, with my account and change, for example, the video quality to 1080p or HD or 720 for social media, for streaming, for large screens, 4K UHD, and so on and so forth. Click into download here to save the video, for example, in the MP4 file format, which is also the suggested file format. But then there's also another settings you can access, for example, the playback settings. You can do that by clicking into file in the top left. And then guys, what you want to do is navigate to settings here. And at the very bottom, or almost at the very bottom, we'll see a video playback quality. Click into it. And then choose either low, medium, high, or auto. So which one you go with is up to you. I will go with high. And you can watch the preview by clicking into this button and then download or export the video clip using the method I just showed you. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.